Have you ever wondered why when you shave in the direction that your hair grows in, it seems like for whatever reason, it's not cutting it all? I'm a guy that my hair grows back very quickly. So by day 2, day 3, it's like I need to shave all over again. Don't worry, I got the solution for you. If you're struggling to get a close, clean shave, you gotta give Bevel's Essential Starter Kit a try. Thank you, Bevel, for sponsoring today's video. You guys can find this starter kit at Target where it's available. Now let's get into the actual shaving. This is Bevel's Disposable Essential Safety Razor. This is designed to help you reduce those razor bumps and those ingrown hairs. My dudes that have curlier hair, we know it is what it is. Sometimes you just get those ingrown hairs because the way that your hair is formed. Those coily, curly types of hair. It has an award-winning razor system. Because it's made out of 45% wheat straw, these are lightweight, easy to carry around, pop them in your carry-on, and you're ready to go. Alright, let me show you what this can actually do. First, you just gotta pop off the head. Comes off very easy. This is their clear shaving gel. It doesn't foam up, so you can actually see what you're shaving with precision. I don't know about you, but I don't love foaming shaving gels because you can't see the actual lines that you're trying to make and create. You might actually end up just going a little too deep. All your hair that you've been working to grow, all that time that I spent growing this hair, and I'm gonna go and cut some of it off. Nah. I'm not gonna go crazy and use a whole bunch. Let me show y'all. This is clear. You're gonna be able to see what you're doing without actually making a mistake. Do you see how clear that formula is? So then now I'm gonna be able to see exactly what I'm cutting. It's gonna allow the razor to just glide right over my skin very seamlessly. I have more hair around my mustache area right now, so let's deal with this real quick. Look at that, and there's no friction. That's clean. That is clean. It gives you a very clean shave with no irritation. That's what I'm looking for. I don't know about you, but I'm looking for a clean shave with no irritation, no nicks and pulls that I know is just gonna cause a bump later. I'm not about that life. Because my mustache is a little bit thicker, like the difference between the hair isn't that much. It's actually a little bit thicker, but I wanna bring it down, level it, make it look nice and clean. So make sure you trim the hairs first, because if you go directly in with your razor blade, and if the hairs are a lot longer, you might cause a little bit more nicks and pulls and tugs, which we don't want against the skin. Any irritation is gonna lead to those razor bumps and those razor burns that we're trying to avoid in the first place. So use something like a trimmer just to even out the hair, just to bring it down a little bit. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. You can see the trimmer brings down the hair, but there's still hair left behind. If I leave those little its and bits of hair, those little hairs that are just sitting there, just sitting above the mustache area, I guarantee you that it's gonna eventually just grow out day 2, day 3, because my hair grows extremely fast. So let's trim those down with our razor. The process is still gonna be the same. We're still gonna go ahead, use our clear shaving gel. And something that I really like about this gel is it's packed with good ingredients. You know me, I'm all about good ingredients, whether it's hair, skincare, and even these guys, because it's shaving products that are still going on your skin. So you wanna pay attention and make sure that you're using good ingredients. It has aloe vera in it, cucumber extract, and it has vitamin B5. All of those ingredients are really good for your skin, which creates a very soothing feeling for your skin. Like right here on this side where I just previously shaved, I can feel my skin feels soothed. It almost feels cool. Apply some of the clear shaving gel right above that area that I want to clean up those hairs and make it look really clean. And then we're gonna go ahead and shave down. And do the other side as well. You don't even have to wait like minutes or anything like that. You can just go ahead, apply it to your skin, and begin shaving. I tug a little bit on the skin just to give it more of an even shave, because most people's skin, it does bunch up a little bit when you're shaving. So I give the skin just a little bit of a tug just to get that even shave that I'm looking for. And for the finishing touches, we're gonna use Bevel's Bump Control. This is lightweight, it's fast absorbing, and it's gonna help do exactly what we need it to do, which is help to reduce those razor bumps and help to reduce those ingrown hairs. Smooth finish is a game changer. You always wanna patch test first on some skin before you go ahead and use these products. If you guys are struggling to get a close, clean shave, you guys need to give Bevel's starter kit a try. And thank you for watching today's video. Catch you guys in the next one.